Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert the large equation on your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert the large equation like this on your Microsoft Office Word web? Just go to the insert option here, then click on the drawing option here. Now you just need to click on the shapes. Here just scroll down, you can see and find the option called equation shape. So by using this option you can select the which type of shape that you equation shape that you want. Click this, then create this here, and you can change the color too by using this option, and shape fill, and also change the border color if you want, so like this. And here you can also add more shapes on a same image, so like this. You can change the shapes. Click the here, then go to the shapes again. Now click this and make another shape here like this, and also fill the color with red or whatever that color you want, and click save and close. Now it's automatically inserted. So by this option, it's after just inserting this, you can just click and edit your needs. You can resize it, you can change the size and also change the portion like this. By this option you can insert a large equation on your Microsoft Office Word. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about Microsoft Office Word web, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.